Now I'm getting ready for trawling. Chasing for some flounder and a yellowtail, hopefully. It's a trailer, the diving trailer. It dives to the middle range. It looks like a plane. And I bought several different lures. It's 10 centimeters, 7 centimeters, several different colors. So the leader is about 1.5 meters. It's a 30-pound leader. Here at the end of the trailer. It's a Japanese traditional lure. There's a little hole here. Goes through this little hole. Make a knot. 2, 3, 4. Make a double 8 knots. Okay guys, so let's start trawling. It's about 60 meters and I'm gonna go this way. Trailer, the lure.
I like it as simple as possible. It's got only a sinking trailer and a lure.
Spins really fast in the water. And plus it's got a flashy effect. Okay, let's go. Let it dive to the middle range and keep the speed around 3 knots.
Now the trailer is diving down to the middle range. It feels like I got something. Is this a fish or what? It's a lizard fish. I don't want it, so I just let it go. After that, I tried several different spots, but I didn't get any good results. So maybe I better to change the plan.
I changed my plan to tachiuo fishing, the belt fish. Look at this, around 90 meters, there are some tachiuos. So I dropped the rig around 100 meters, make some action between 100 meters to 90 meters.
This rod action is one of the most basic stuff for jigging. It's called a one pitch, one jerk. That is to lift up your rod while you turn your reel once. And when I get tired of making actions, I pretty much rely on the electric reel. This is much easier, especially when the water is deep.
Fish on. up for amadai. Artificial worm. So there are two hooks. One's for clams, and the other one's for this artificial worm. Yeah. Let's go.
Amadai is something called tilefish. They usually spend themselves under the mud, so their bodies are buried and keep their head up waiting for some bait coming through. So to appeal to them, you hit the bottom with a sinker, making some sand smoke. When the sinker hits their nest, they will get up and bite your bait.
Hey. All right. All right.
So today I'd like to make some sushi rolls and sashimi. Preparing tachiuo for the fried fish to put in the sushi rolls. Fillet this up. Salt and pepper on the fillet. Flour. Potato starch. Add a little bit of water and mix together, and the batter is done. This is panko, the bread crust. Now fry them in oil. It's called nori, one of seaweed. Put sushi rice on nori paper. Sesame seeds. And avocado. Add some fried fish. Now work on the sauce for the sushi rolls. Mayo and chili sauce and soy sauce. Mix them together. If you want to make your sushi rolls neat and tidy, go twice. And as for this roll, I'd like to make it inside out. So I just flip that over. Remember, go twice to make your rolls neat and tidy. The reason why I'm using this plastic wrap when I cut the roll into pieces, if you do it without this plastic, the rolls easily collapse. You know, the rice sticks to your knife and it gets really sticky, but if you cover it with the plastic wrap, there's no such problem. This is amadai. Torch the skin. Salt. Olive oil. And this is ponzu. It tastes a little different than soy sauce. It's kind of mix of soy sauce, citrus, and fish stock.
Alright, sashimi!